Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the orientation of your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Most people wear the watch on their left hand with the digital crown on the right side of the watch. But it's possible to change it around. Here is how. Start by getting your iPhone and opening the Watch app. In the Watch app, tap on General. In General, select Watch Orientation. You can now change which wrist you will be wearing the watch on, as well as choosing which side you want to have the digital crown. The watch face will rotate depending on your selection. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.